Situated in a mountainous region, distant from urban centers and enveloped by a rich natural environment, this museum serves to preserve and exhibit a collection of historically significant trains. It is noteworthy how the curators have successfully assembled such an extensive collection in this particular location. In addition to trains primarily utilized within Chiba Prefecture, the museum showcases vehicles sourced from various regions across Japan, including cable cars and the Chiba Monorail. Many of the exhibits are accessible for entry, enhancing the visitor experience. The admission fee is charged per vehicle, presenting a more cost-effective option for larger groups.
Find another girl. Your hand in mine feels colder now. We're holding on, but we don't know how. I'll keep the pieces and I'll smile when I think of you, even if it's from a world brand new. Echoes deep inside, green